I'm here to tell you about the key features of the 9BB166 LNSK-355-37M 𝐊𝐞𝐲 solar module series developed by Luxen Solar. These powerful, up to 370 watts and super efficient, with up to 19.8% panels, equipped with 120 half-cut monocrystalline cells with large 166mm wafers, integrate multiple advanced technologies. Half cells technology offers higher power output, reduced resistant losses and lower risk of hotspots and microcracks, and stable performance under low light conditions. 9 busbar cell design allows for smaller electric current, lower cell to module losses, and further minimize hotspot risk. 0 to 5 watt positive power sorting guarantees stable power output. Robust design with high strength 3.2mm tempered glass and anodized aluminium frame ensures mechanical strength and modules protection from the elements. Wind load is up to 3,800 Pascal and snow load is up to 5,400 Pascal. Junction box has IP68 protection level, ensuring protection from dust and water. Modules are also grade A fireproof. Systems voltage for these is 1,500 volts, which offers you a benefit of balance of system cost reduction. This product has multiple industry standard certifications, including IEC 61215 and IEC 61730. PID resistant is certified with IEC TS 62804-1, and modules are thoroughly tested under IEC 61701. Salt mist corrosion resistant test IEC 62716. Ammonia corrosion resistant tests and IEC 60068-2-68, sand and dust erosion resistant test. High reliability and durability coupled with versatile design allow to use these in a variety of climates and conditions, including areas with heavy rain, hail, wind, heat and cold changes, and so on. For these, we offer 12 years product warranty and 25 years linear performance warranty with CHUBB Insurance. Our payment terms are 30% TT deposit on order and balance 70% by TT or LC at site before shipment. For shipping, we pack 30 modules per pallet, with 180 pieces in a 20-foot and 780 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. We are able to ensure fast and trouble-free delivery within 7 to 15 days to most destinations. Our customer service will be happy to provide full technical support during the whole process, including before-sale factory audit, production inspection, and after-sale third-party inspection. Luxen Solar is an experienced manufacturer, specialised in design and production of solar panels, focusing mainly on solar modules ranged from 300 to 450 watts, including monocrystalline PERC half cells and double-glassed bifacial modules. Our products have been exported to various regions and countries around the world, including Europe, Vietnam, Australia, Brazil, Pakistan, Japan, and so on. State-of-the-art technology, well-thought-out design, and the highest level of craftsmanship allow us to ensure a truly grade A quality.